Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zendesk for e-commerce customer support workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Zendesk for e-commerce customer support workflows, start by logging into your Zendesk account. If you don't have an account yet, create a new one by following the sign-up process on the Zendesk website. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin Center. In the left sidebar, click on the Channels option. Select Email from the drop-down menu. Create a support email address that customers will use to submit their queries. Next, set up your email forwarding to ensure all inquiries reach Zendesk. After configuring your email, go back to the Admin Center. Click on Business Rules to set up triggers and automations. Create a new trigger to define actions for incoming tickets based on specific conditions. Consider setting up triggers that categorize tickets by priority or type of inquiry. Next, navigate to Views to customize how tickets appear for your support agents. Create views that focus on different types of inquiries, such as product questions, order issues, or returns. Once your views are set up, explore the Integrations section in the Admin Center. Connect your e-commerce platform, like Shopify or WooCommerce, to streamline ticket creation directly from orders. Follow the prompts to complete the integration process. After integrating your e-commerce platform, go to Macros to create quick response templates. These templates will help support agents reply faster to common customer questions. Be sure to include responses addressing order status, shipping inquiries, and product information. Next, set up the Help Center to create a self-service option for customers. Add FAQs, guides, and troubleshooting tips that customers can easily access. After customizing the Help Center, review your reporting options in Zendesk. Enable reports to track ticket volume, response times, and agent performance. This data will help you identify areas for improvement in your support workflow. Finally, run a test by submitting a ticket through your support email address. Make sure to evaluate how tickets are categorized and assigned within your system. Adjust your settings as needed to optimize your e-commerce customer support workflows. By following these steps, you can effectively activate Zendesk for your e-commerce customer support needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.